Hi guys.
Hi, today we're gonna make part 4 and playing with clay, but it's skinker again. So Bella, which color do you want to skincare my dumpling?
I want this one.
No, that's mine. Okay, sure. I'm gonna use some pink first, okay? For my mask face mask. Wait, I need cucumbers first.
There's another.
Hey, no, that's a big cucumber.
But it doesn't stick on the lovely though.
Huh?
It doesn't stick on the dumpling.
What? Why? No.
So I can't lift this.
What can I call you? Guys, what could I call your names? Comment in my comments. If it's Isabella, just comment Isabella if it's better. Comment my name if I'm better.
Then is this your magic slate?
Huh?
Is that your magic slate?
Wait, no, that's my art box. Yeah.
But well, I have a magic slate.
Okay, and look at this. Now I'm gonna rinse it with water. See you in the next round. See you in the water part. Shh, it's wiping off. It's not wiping off. So now it's time to remove our face masks. Okay guys, I take off my face mask. Now it's all green. I'm wiping off the cucumbers because they got stuck. I'm also wiping my face mask because it didn't get water yet.
There's an air bubble. Then I have this air bubble. This air bubble over here.
Oh my god! Okay, now it's time for the makeup, Bella. It's time for the makeup!
What to be here?
You have to use makeup right now. I'm using makeup already. So see you in the makeup. Okay. Wait, no, you can't use purple.
Why?
You need to use pink.
I don't want.
Sure.
Because you're using pink.
Here. Which one is better? Comment down below. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.